Welcome to the Indian Guide to Induction Efficiency. In this video, you will learn how to maximize your induction efficiency and lower your electricity bill today. Induction stoves are highly efficient at 85%, far better than gas stoves at 40%. They use electromagnetism to heat the pot directly, wasting zero heat into the air. Induction requires ferrous or iron-based metal cookware. Use the magnet test to determine compatibility. If a magnet sticks, the pan cooks. The biggest mistake is leaving the stove on the high setting, which wastes maximum energy. Start on high to quickly heat up, then immediately drop to medium. Match the wattage to your cooking task. Use high for boiling water, medium-high for sautéing, medium for frying, low for thickening, and ultra-low for warming. Induction demands physical contact. Curved bottoms, like a kadai, weaken the magnetic field and can lose 30% efficiency. Always use flat-bottom cookware. Efficient materials include stainless steel with an induction base, cast iron, and enameled iron. Avoid pure aluminum, copper, and clay pots. An open pot takes 3 times longer to cook. Lids trap steam and heat, allowing you to drop power from 1000 W to 500 W and still cook efficiently. Soak hard grains like rajma, chole, and dal. Soaked food cooks 25% faster, significantly reducing the energy needed for cooking. The glass top holds residual heat. Turn the stove off early and let the food finish cooking on 0 power. This can save 2 minutes of electricity per dish. Use the built-in digital timer to set the exact minutes needed. The stove stops automatically, preventing overcooking and stopping the meter from spinning. Induction draws 7 to 10 amps. Standard 5A sockets will melt, and extension cords cause severe fire risks. Use a dedicated 15A power socket. For maintenance, keep the bottom fan vent clear. Never place the stove on a cloth. Clean the glass top daily, as spilled oil acts as a thermal insulator. Electricity costs Rs 7 to 9 per unit. Constant maximum power equals gas costs, but optimized induction cooking can be 20 to 30% cheaper. Technique determines the final price. To summarize, use flat-bottom iron-based pans, drop power after boiling, cook with a lid, pre-soak hard grains, and plug into a 15A socket.